Hello, this is John from caveofprogramming.com, and in this section I'm going to show you how to make a simple game. And the only problem here is that I'm running this on a screencast, and the screencast doesn't quite keep up with my phone, but hopefully you get the general idea. It's a sort of tennis game, and I've got some sound effects in there, and you have to attempt to hit a ball with the paddle on the left, which I'm actually controlling with my finger on my phone, and the paddle on the right is controlled by the program, although with everything running together and with my phone plugged in and the screencast running, it slows down to the point where it's practically unusable, but under normal circumstances it's a perfectly fine game. So we're going to have a look at how to make this, and we'll look at the basics and fundamentals of animation and drawing in Android, and also sound. And I thought about using a game library, because if you want to program games on Android, you can use, for example, libgdx, which is a pretty simple game library. And there's also I think it's called AndEngine, and there's a bunch of others as well, but those two are free. libgdx is actually relatively primitive, but it's also pretty easy to use. And AndEngine at the moment I find is quite hard to install, but people say it's worth it if you're going to get into any serious game development. And I thought about trying to make a tutorial on those, although I haven't used them myself, except for some simple experiments. But in the end I decided that it's going to be more instructive if we look at how you do actual animation in Android without actually using any kind of external library, which of course is also probably going to change very rapidly. So we're going to look at the built-in facility in Android itself for doing frame by frame animation. Okay, so that's it for this tutorial, and until next time, happy coding.